Imagine stepping onto another planet. That's Antarctica. Last time, we boarded the Ortelias and crossed the Drake. Now, let's dive into our Antarctica expedition. We started our Antarctic adventure at Danko Island. Picture this, gentoo penguins everywhere, waddling around on their highways, which are etching paths from the rookeries to the ocean. During lunch, we transferred to Orne Harbor, a cove surrounded by spectacular peaks. Our next venture led us to Useful Island. The island is home to both gentoo and chinstrap colonies, as well as the occasional Adelie penguin.
Yeah, we have an Adelie here.
I'm coming that way.
Our planned landing was thwarted due to a sheer number of wildlife present at the landing site. So instead, we changed to a Zodiac cruise. This offered us the chance to see stunning iceberg formations.
I can never get bored of this.
Another incredible sight during the Zodiac cruise was observing an enormous raft of gentoo penguins cleaning themselves out in open water. The moment that truly captured the essence of Antarctica. We are getting ready to go mountaineering on Orne Island. Don't know what to expect. Difficulty level, I'm not quite sure. You excited?
You want to swipe something down? Yeah.
Of course. We are ready to go. After a cautious approach to the glacier, we ascended a challenging route, roped together for safety. From our vantage point, we witnessed the aftermath of a rolling iceberg, a stark reminder of the ever-changing Antarctic landscape. Okay, so our boat's over there. Just waiting on our second group. That's where we came from. It's the tricky part right there. Navigating the Lemaire Channel with its towering cliffs mirrored in still waters felt like entering a gateway to another world. The ice camping was a mix of excitement and trepidation, especially for Greg, who looked like he was about to take a math test he hadn't studied for. Catch our next video to see how we handled camping in Antarctica's endless daylight. Exploring the area around Port Lockroy, a British base, we encountered elephant seals and crab eaters, alongside more gentoos and whalebones. While Greg savored a few extra moments of rest after that night sleeping on the ice, I decided to embark on an early Zodiac cruise, accompanied by one of our more adventurous guides. We ventured out about 2 nautical miles away from the ship, delving deeper into the heart of Antarctica's wild beauty. The journey unveiled towering peaks known as the Seven Sisters, and the clearest and most beautiful icy waters and icebergs. In the afternoon, we went kayaking. This experience was absolutely surreal.
Penguins. Try not to drop my phone. That would be tragic. That is so pretty.
Isn't that amazing? Greg and this little guy to see me walking.
So the plan is to walk on this ice here.
So we have to get out of our car.
We have to get out of our kayaks first.
We launched onto the fast ice. dragged our kayaks from behind us to cross to the other side. It was a moment of pure adventure, a testament to the spirit of exploration that had brought us to this remote corner in the first place.
We are getting ready to go on another Zodiac cruise. Fingers crossed that we're going to see some whale close today.
After the expedition leader brought the bar out to us,
Thank you, Sarah.
Pleasure.
Oh, baby.
we then found ourselves in the midst of feeding humpback whales, a mother and her calves.
Oh my gosh.
When we got back on the ship, we were then
my
surrounded
gosh.
by more feeding humpback whales
We're surrounded.
that we could see from every direction from the ship. That evening's barbecue on the helideck was a celebration under the Antarctic sky, filled with good food and dancing.
That's the captain.
Our visit to Brown Station, amidst the mirror-like reflections of Paradise Bay, was so beautiful. The sight of Weddell seals resting on floating glacier fragments, undisturbed by our presence, was a reminder of the harmony that exists in this remote corner of the world.
It is actually snowing in Antarctica. We were hoping it was going to. Good time of the season to come when it still does snow in Antarctica in the summertime. This is pretty sweet.
As we explored Nico Harbor, the anticipation of witnessing a glacier calving was tangible. Most of us stood there waiting, but nature had other plans, offering us instead avalanches.
Wow. Small avalanche.
Our final day took us to Deception Island, which offered a stark and haunting contrast with its whaling station ruins. Walking through this eerie yet fascinating landscape, we felt the whispers of its past. And yes, I even took the polar plunge,
She's nervous.
a chilling yet exhilarating finale to our Antarctic adventure.
Heart. I'm so. Hey. Yeah, we might did that.
How was it?
Oh my god! Wasn't until you went underwater. Now I feel the knives.
Thanks for joining us on this incredible voyage. If you love this journey, hit like, subscribe for more adventures like this, and share this video with friends who dream of exploring. Until next time, keep exploring and let the world simply amaze you.